In today's video, we can learn how to make bearing. First, go to the front view, then draw a center line. Next, we can draw the bearing cross section. For that, first, make a rectangle and draw a circle in the center of the rectangle. Draw a line in the middle of the rectangle. Offset that center line to both sides with the same distance. Copy the circle. I will show you after why we copy that circle. Trim the unwanted line using trim command, tr. Double enter. Now we can trim the unwanted lines. Here is done. We can see the cross section is not a closed polyline. To make its closed polyline, we can use the join command, j. Then select the closed line, enter. See, now it's a closed polyline. Next, we need to revolve this cross section. The revolve command is rev. Then select the cross section we want to revolve. Next, need to specify the center axis to revolve. Here I select the center line. Then specify the angle of revolution. I give 360. Now make the bearing ball with same to revolve. Yes, we finished the bearing ball. Need to move the center of the bearing ball path. Go to the top view. We can see there is only one bearing ball. We need to fill with a bearing ball. For that, we can use the array tool. The command is AR. Select the array object, enter. Then specify the array method. Here we need the polar array. Specify the center point next. Now take the sub-option items. We need 19 balls, so I give the number of items 19. Our bearing is completed. Hope you like this video. If you like, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for upcoming video notifications.